FendtONE onboard technology overview, engine and transmission menu. To open this menu via Launchpad, the first is our cruise control 1 and 2. You can set the speed as you need. Pre-select, for example, cruise control 1 here. It becomes green. That means by click the joystick to the right side, you activate cruise control 1. This wheel here on our joystick is helpful to change the speed a bit, or when you use it fast, you are able to change the speed in big steps. Second, our engine speed memory 1 and 2, change it here and activate it by these two buttons here on your joystick. Our TMS speed band, that means PTO is on, and then the engine speed goes up automatically to 1900 or slower if you like. Or if you need it together with hydraulic valves, for example, when you are using the front loader, you have to activate this button here. Our maximum output control, you can use it in automatic mode or switch over to manual mode, and then you change the value between 0 and 30%. A new button in this engine and transmission menu is this button here. On the rear side of our joystick we have a switch with 4 positions. Position number 2, 3 and 4 is with a fixed value, and position number 1 you can set here in the terminal. These 4 positions are the aggressivity for speeding up the tractor or changing the direction. And when you're using the tractor in special operations, then it's possible to go quite far down here. That means you are able to speed up the tractor only by a few meters per hour.